Want access to all the creative tools in Adobe Creative Cloud without paying a dime? Let's dive in. First, go to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website. You can usually find it by searching Adobe Creative Cloud in your favorite search engine. Once you're there, locate the free trial button. It's usually featured prominently on the main page. Click on that free trial button. This is where your free trip into the Creative Cloud world begins. You'll be prompted to either sign in with an existing Adobe account or create a new one. If you don't have an account, click the sign up option and follow the steps by giving details like your email address, name, and setting a password. After you've either logged in or created an account, you'll likely be asked what kind of software you're interested in. Adobe gives you a selection of its popular applications, from Photoshop and Illustrator to Premiere Pro and After Effects. Choose the software you want to try out. Don't worry, you can trial other software later. Next, you'll probably have to select your operating system, which is normally the device you're using. After that, the website will guide you through downloading the Adobe Creative Cloud Manager. You can use this to start the installation process of your chosen software. Now is the perfect time to get a drink, because download times may vary depending on your internet speed. That's it. Now you have access to your chosen software, and the software opens. You should be able to get full access to the software's features and enjoy a whole program. Remember though that your free trial has a time limit, such as 7 days. Once the trial has ended, you'll need to choose a subscription plan if you want to keep using the software. That's all there is to it. You now have the keys to unlock a free Adobe Creative Cloud trial. Like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy creating!